In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix a Samsung TV with a flickering or a flashing screen. Now, obviously mine is fine, it looks fine, but in case your TV has a flickering or flashing screen, here are a couple of things you can try to do to try and fix that problem. Now, first, you want to unplug your TV from power. So go ahead and just pull out the power cable from the wall socket or from the extension cord that you're using and power off your TV. And then you need to wait about 30 seconds. And during that 30 seconds, or maybe even a minute or two, and during that time, with the TV power cable removed from the wall socket, just press and hold the power button, the physical power button on the TV for about 30 seconds. So this might help to release some of the built-up charge in the capacitors of your TV that might be causing the problem. So just hold that power button for about 30 seconds with the TV plugged off and the cable removed from the wall socket. And then you can wait an extra minute and then you can plug the TV back to power. And this time, if you are using an extension cord, then you might want to plug it directly to the wall socket. And then try and see if the TV now works properly. If it does, then you'll know your problem is either with the power cord or built up charge in the capacitors. Now, if it still doesn't work, then you might want to go and turn off energy saving settings on your TV. So go to settings, all settings, and then go to general and privacy, and then go to power and energy saving. So here, first thing you want to turn off is brightness optimization. So make sure that is turned off. And if you have any of these other energy saving settings enabled, then you might want to turn those off. Okay, and then see if the TV works properly. Next thing you might want to do is unplug all the peripheral devices from the back of your TV. So if you have anything plugged into the HDMI ports, unplug everything and check if your TV works properly. Now, in case you find out that the issue is one of the peripheral devices, one of the HDMI devices that's causing your TV to flicker, then you can either replace the cable for that particular device or plug it into a different HDMI port and see how that works out for you. Now, if the problem seems to be the peripheral device, like maybe a TV box or an Amazon Fire Stick or something like that, try and go to the device's software update settings and update the software of that particular device. Now, if that still doesn't work, then you might want to also check your own TV if it's up to date. So again, go to settings, all settings, and then go to support, and then go to software update, and then try to update manually by clicking on update now. Now, as you can see, I'm on the latest version, so there are now available updates for me. But by now, the problem you have should have been fixed. Now, in case you've tried everything I've told you and you're still having a flashing or flickering screen, then you might also want to try and factory reset your TV. So factory resetting will wipe away all your user data and you'll have to set up the TV afresh like it was a brand new TV. So this is going to delete all the apps you've installed, all your accounts, everything is going to get removed from this TV, but hopefully it will fix the problem of flickering. So to factory reset, just go to settings, and then under settings, go to all settings, and then go to general and privacy, and then go to system manager, and then not system manager, under general and privacy, scroll down to reset, beg your pardon, and then enter your pin. And once you enter your pin, you can now continue with the factory reset process. Now, I have a whole video on how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV, so I'll not do it right now, but if you wanted, this is basically how to start the process. You can go ahead and watch that video on how to factory reset your Samsung Smart TV. at least one of the solutions I've given you should fix your problem. Now, if it doesn't, let me know in the comment section below, including the model name of your TV, and then we can try and figure it out. Also, if it worked, if it helped you, then you can tell us which particular solution helped you fix your Samsung Smart TV from flashing or flickering. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.